Subscribe to my channel Making Impossible and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any one of my upcoming videos.
Yo, what's up friends, I'm Shulazari and welcome back to Making Impossible, the channel that teaches you how to make the impossible and be the smartest person in the room. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you a really cool card flourish. It's a very small flourish, but it is very eye-catching, and you can also use this flourish for doing a double lift, and I'm going to teach you both of these things. The techniques for both the double lift as well as the flourish is same, but for double lift, there is a little bit difference in the handling. So for that reason, I would suggest you to follow the entire tutorial so that you can learn everything perfectly. So without any further ado, let's start our today's video.
I'll feature one lucky Instagram user every Monday in my Smack That Monday episodes. If you want your Instagram profile or page to be featured in my next Smack That Monday episode, follow the simple steps that are given in the video description. So now, let's continue.
Alright guys, this is how the flourish looks like. At first, let me show you the flourish, okay? The flourish looks just like this. You can say that this is a false cut because the top packet is actually staying on the top. You can see that, right? And it's also very beautiful as a display and as a move. Like while you are having a deck of cards in your hand, you can just keep on doing like this. It would be really like a very cool way to just present yourself before the audience. Okay, this is just a false cut. The second one is the double lift. Okay, the second one actually looks like this. Okay, and the second one is a little bit different in the handling than the first one, so I'll just show you how the second one is done. By the way, the second one was actually created by me earlier than the first one. That means the double lift was actually created by me before the card flourish. The card flourish was actually a derivation from the double lift. Now this double lift tutorial would be very good for people who are beginner in card magic and who are not really good at double lift, because this is the first double lift that I made and this is the first double lift that I used, because I was not good at double lift at that time when I started card magic. So I used to do double lift like this, and you can see that this is a really cool way, and it also looks really beautiful and flashy to the eyes, and it's a nice way of doing a double lift and a type of presentation, you can say that. By the way, let's see how you can do this double lift. Alright guys, here is the tutorial for the double lift as well as the flourish. Now at first we are going to learn this flourish, then we are going to learn the double lift, because that would be the better way. And I'm calling this the DA double lift as well as the DA flourish, because the full form of DA is diagonal axis, and for this flourish you're actually grabbing the top pack diagonally just like this, and then you're actually rotating this pack along the diagonal axis. So I'm going to call this the DA flip, because I don't know the actual name, because I don't even know that even if this flourish was created or even if this double lift was created, it was just a creation of me when I couldn't actually do a double lift properly. So I call this the DA double lift and the DA flourish. So at first let's learn the DA flourish. At first, for doing the DA flourish, what you need to do is you have to take a break under the top 5 or 6 cards, and you can just do that by doing a thumb count just like this, or you can just do that by doing a pinky count like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6. So you have 6 cards on top of the pinky. Then what you're going to do is you're just going to loosen up this corner so that this corner also raises upside, and afterwards you're going to use your other hand and you're going to use your thumb to grab over here at this corner of the entire top pack, and you're going to grab the corner which is situated at the base of the other hand's thumb. So you're going to grab over here and you're just going to push this top packet out a little bit so that you can get a grip at this exact diagonally opposite corner. So you're going to grip that diagonal opposite corner with your middle finger. After that, you're going to keep this thumb, which is actually holding the deck, you're going to keep this on the top of the top packet, and then you're just going to bring this pack upside. Okay, and as you do that, you'll see because of the thumb, this packet will actually start rotating. Now at this point you will see that the entire pack is vertical to this ground, and we need to actually turn this packet to this side. So what we are going to do is we are actually going to move our this hand this side a little bit and our this finger, our thumb, this side a little bit, and as we do that you will see that the entire top packet will flip 180 degrees, and we are going to put all of these moves together at this point, just like this. And after that, what you're going to do is you're just going to use this packet, and you're going to use your these grips just to swivel this pack just like this on this thumb. Okay, you're just going to straighten up your thumb a little bit, and as you straighten it up, you're actually going to do this swiveling motion around the thumb. Okay, you're going to swivel the top packet around the thumb, and as you do that, you're also going to turn this hand a little bit upside, and both of these things will happen simultaneously. And after that, what you're going to do is you're just going to lift this top packet from here, and you're just going to slap it on the top of the deck with the help of the thumb. Okay, so if I show you the entire thing in just slow motion, it would look like this. It would look like this. Okay, and in real fast motion, real speed, it would look just like this. Now for doing the double lift, you are actually going to do it the same way you did the flourish, but there will be a little bit of change in the handling, because you're not going to actually turn the top two cards face down, you're actually going to turn them face up. So for that reason, there will be a little bit of difference in the handling, and I'm actually going to show you that right now. So at first, for doing the DA double lift, you're actually going to take a break under the top two cards, and you can do that by doing a pinky count or your thumb count, whatever you want to do. Just do it. Just take a break under the top two cards. 1, 2. Then you're actually going to do the same thing until the 180 degree flip that you did in the flourish. So you're actually going to do the same thing up till this point. Now there is a change in the handling. What you're going to do at this point is you're going to stretch this thumb this side so that it comes out under this card. Okay, under these two cards. So as you're holding the card over here, you're continuing the movement this side. Okay, you're actually stretching this thumb this side, and you're also gliding this card over the thumb this side. In this case, you're not swiveling it this side. Instead, you're actually gliding this card this side. And as you do that and stretch your thumb this side simultaneously, the thumb will come out from this position, as you can see over here. Then you're going to lift these two fingers from this side. Just move them away as that happens, and you're going to lift this thumb, which is actually in contact with this card, and you're going to use this middle finger just to swivel the card around the other hand's thumb. And as it comes over here, you're actually going to hold these two cards just like this, with the thumb over here, the index finger over here, and the middle finger over here. So one more time, if I show you this in slow motion, it would look like this. So as you see, 180 degree flip, thumb comes out, you swivel the card, and the three fingers actually hold the card in this grip. And that is how you can actually do a double lift. And in full speed, it actually looks like this. Okay, it looks like this. Alright, and that's how the DA double lift is done, and that's it for the tutorial. So I hope you enjoyed learning this amazing DA double lift card flourish. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you did so, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at @Shon_Zari. Also, if you have any questions, you can use the comment section for that, and don't forget to subscribe to my other channel, which is a pretty savage channel. I post funny videos over there, and the link to that channel will be given right in the description box as well as in the cards. And don't forget to smash the subscribe button of this channel if you're not a subscriber yet, and turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss my upcoming videos and my future Smack That Monday episodes. Peace.